Hello, bienvenue, willkommen, bienvenido, ni hao. Welcome to this first video of Math LAM, which is the pre-calculus course that you have enrolled in. I want first of all to congratulate you on choosing this course. Guaranteed that it will strengthen your foundations and make you a better Calculus 1 students. Now, this is an intro video. We're not going to cover any course material right here. I'm simply going to try to answer some students that actually have asked me, sir, yes, people do say, sir, am I really in the right place? Should I be in Calculus 1 or am I going to waste my time doing this pre-cal course? And it's kind of difficult to answer this. So what I tried to do is come up with a small list of problems, which I will present to you in a few seconds. And my take will be, if you can actually do those problems using perhaps elementary algebra and logic, then we can actually sit and talk and discuss if your place is truly in this course or not. But I feel that although these problems are quite elementary, they do benefit from being able to solve them algebraically. So since MathLam is a thorough review of algebra, I thought that perhaps this would be a good place to start in the course. So without any further ado, and please forgive me for the crude setup at home. I'm not the most techno guy that you will actually encounter in the college. So I have here the first problem. So I'm going to read this because it's pretty small. So my phone currently has 325 songs, which occupies 1.3 gig of memory. If I have 0.75 gig of memory left, how many more songs can I download? Not a very complicated problem, right? One assumption we have to make here is that the size of the songs are going to be roughly the same for what you put on the phone. So there won't be like 3 songs that are 4 minutes and 7 songs that are 12 minutes. They're all going to be more or less the same amount of time. So once again, my phone currently has 325 songs, and these 325 songs occupy 1.3 gig of memory. Apparently, I have 0.75 gig left. So how many more songs can I download? That's my problem number 1. If you can do this, good for you. If you can do this with algebra, better for you, because algebra can be used here at a fairly elementary level. Second problem. Each child in a family has at least 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What's the smallest number of children the family might have? So each child has at least 2 brothers and 2 sisters. What is the smallest number of children that the family might have? My second problem. My third problem, see if you can solve this one. This one is a pretty much standard algebra problem. So a cell phone company offers 2 different monthly plans, Plan A and Plan B. Plan A, 200 free minutes, and then 25 cents per minute after that. Plan B, 100 free minutes, but only 10 cents a minute after that. So after how many minutes does Plan A become more expensive than Plan B? That assumes, of course, that Plan A is cheaper in the beginning. D'accord. Okay, so once again, if you know a little bit of algebra, in other words, if you know what X should stand for, then you have a very nice way of solving this with minimal amount of pain. Here's another classic one. An 8-inch pizza sells for $12. What should be a fair price for a 16-inch pizza? All right, so we all like pizza. 8-inch, small pizza, $12. 16-inch, double the diameter. What should be a fair price for this? Nice problem. And here comes the last one. Paul actually apparently needs 6 hours to paint a whole room by himself. Don is quicker. He actually needs only 3 hours to paint the same room by himself. Now imagine that they're working together. How long would it take for them working together to paint the whole same room? Once again, some of these problems are not necessarily intuitive. They can really use variables and equations to solve them. Hence, through this, I am trying to convince you that algebra is useful in real life, and that if you have good notions, solid notions of algebra, then not only will it put you on fair ground for calculus, but it will basically give you a tool to solve problems, that apparently can be, without it, perhaps difficult. All right, so that's my intro video for you guys. Don't let that interrupt your summer. Basically, if you have any questions on this, you can always mail me. And if you do not have any questions, when and I will see you in the fall. We're not 100% sure, again, what the delivery will be. Apparently, it depends quite a lot on vaccination and how the government will basically decide what kind of measures need to take place in the fall to ensure public safety. So basically, I'm hoping that we can actually meet on campus, but of course, we'll have to abide by the rules of the government. So that's it for now, and hopefully have a great summer. And one way or another, virtually or in presence, I will see you late August. You take care now.